Hello students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, human body. Here is a picture marked with different parts. तो यहाँ से आप समझ गए होंगे that we gonna learn about different body parts. So let's start. Our body is more than what we see when we look in the mirror. There are different parts that have different jobs, but each part works together so we can eat, sleep, sit in class and play with friends. हमारी बॉडी में different body parts हैं और सभी का जो जॉब है वो different एक दूसरे से, लेकिन वो सब साथ में मिलकर काम करते हैं. External parts of the body. We have different body parts. The body parts that we can see from outside and touch with our hands are called external body parts. The parts of the body that perform a specific function are called organs. Below are some external parts of the body. External parts of the body जिन्हें हम touch कर सकते हैं और बाहर से देख सकते हैं. Face, mouth. We use our mouth to talk, to eat and to breathe. Nose. We smell things with our nose. We also breathe through our nose. Nostrils. These are the two holes in our nose. This is your nose and यहाँ पे आपके दो holes होते हैं जिन्हें nostrils कहते हैं. Cheeks. The parts of our face between our nose and our ears. These are our cheeks. Hands. Hand, the parts at the end of our arms where our fingers are located. We use our hands to pick things up, scratch an edge, wave hello and lots more. अपने हैंड से आप क्या करते हैं, किसी को हेलो वेव करते हैं या कोई चीज को आप लिफ्ट करते हैं. Fingers, 5 long thin digits attached to the end of each of our hands. Shoulder, the joint near our neck that attaches our arm to our body, allowing it to move around. Wrist, the joint that attaches our hand to the rest of our arm and allows our hand to move in lots of different direction. This is our wrist और इसकी वजह से हम अपने hand को different direction में move करते हैं. Elbow, a joint in our arm that means we can fold it almost in half. This is our elbow. Legs, shin, the part of our leg below the knee. Foot, the parts at the very end of our legs that we use to stand up, walk and run. Hips, the joints that attaches our legs to the rest of our body. Knee, the joint in the middle of our leg that lets us bend it so we can walk and run. Toes, 5 small digits attached to the end of each of our feet. जैसे हमारी 5 fingers होती हैं, वैसे ही हमारे 5 toes भी होते हैं. Internal parts of the body. We have different parts inside our body. These parts are called internal body parts. We cannot see them from outside or touch them. Below are some external parts of the body. जैसे हमारे external parts हम देख सकते हैं, internal को हम नहीं देख सकते, वो हमारी body के अंदर होते हैं. Heart. Our heart pumps our blood and around our body. Lungs, when we breathe, the air goes into our lungs. Brain, this is our thinking machine inside our head. Brain आपका thinking machine होता है जो आपको think करने में, सोचने में help करता है. Veins, these transport blood through our body. They are like little tubes. Veins आपकी छोटी छोटी tubes की तरह होती है जो blood को transport करने में help करते हैं. Throat, this part is throat. Food goes down by the throat to get to our stomach. Stomach. Your food goes in the stomach when we swallow it. This is stomach. Kidneys, the organs that process all our body waste. Liver, the organ that cleans our blood. Liver का function होता है blood को clean करना. Some human body facts. Fingernails often grow more quickly than toenails. Finger जो nails होती हैं आपकी toenail से बहुत जल्दी grow करती हैं. If we measure the distance between our wrist and our elbow, that will be about the same as the length of our foot. अगर हम distance measure करें हमारे wrist से हमारे elbow के बीच का, तो same length होगी जितने हमारे foot की होती है. Our heart beats over 1 lakh times a day. हमारा heart एक दिन में 1 lakh times beat करता है. The largest organ inside our body is the liver. Liver largest organ है हमारी body का. Our nose and ears continue growing throughout our entire life. The left side of our body is controlled by the right side of our brain, while the right side of our body is controlled by the left side of our brain. हमारी बॉडी का लेफ्ट साइड हमारा ब्रेन का राइट साइड कंट्रोल करता है और हमारी बॉडी का राइट साइड हमारे लेफ्ट साइड का ब्रेन कंट्रोल करता है. Star facts. The body parts that we can see from outside and touch with our hands are called external body parts. The parts inside our body are called internal body parts. जो पार्ट्स हमारी बॉडी के अंदर हैं दैट आर कॉल्ड एक्सटर्नल बॉडी पार्ट्स, एंड जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर हैं उन्हें हम इंटरनल बॉडी पार्ट्स कहते हैं. ब्रेन इज अ थिंकिंग मशीन. द लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन इनसाइड आवर बॉडी इज द लीवर. आवर हार्ट बीट्स ओवर 1 लाख टाइम्स अ डे. लीवर लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन है एंड हमारा हार्ट 1 लाख टाइम्स एक दिन में बीट करता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आप ये चैप्टर समझ गए होंगे. अब आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस घर पे करेंगे.